Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, look.
it's better than being the man with the dragon tattoo.
Enjoying your book, Skeet?
Yeah, I am. Whoops.
Killing the Shadows. Okay.
Yeah, Killing the Shadows. Which is this exceedingly gory murder mystery, by the way. So the juxtaposition here is
I
quite.
have to go around.
Well, we are using Christmas colors, though.
These are the little tea stuff. Those are the little tea stuff. And these are the big chair. And that's the little kids' chair. That's the little kids' chair. And that's both of the baby chair.
Look.
I'll show you. I need to show you something. This is that baby's chair. This is that baby's chair. And these are the little baby dolls. And this is the little kid table and the daddy.
When I was running
Time to go to in my pajamas. What's my day? Tickle, tickle.
Christmas cookies,
Back.
ornaments of clay.
And
They're not house poor anymore.
this baby sleeps in the crib. Both of the babies sleep in the crib. Both. And the babies sleep in the same room as the little kid. And put the mom and dad's bed in the little office. And something else needs to be in the living room.
Here's the ball for the playroom. Here's our shovel.
And tell her what game you got.
The cat in the hat game.